Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video of online classroom program from Merry Christmas. And today's topic is for class 10 and the chapter is about coordinate geometry and the chapter is distance and section formula. This topic is totally a two-dimensional figure chapter and related to coordinate geometry. We will get to learn about this whole thing in this video. Let's see what is all about. In two-dimensional figure, 2D figure, there are two axes, x and y. That's why it is called two-dimensional figure. And in 3D, there are three axes, z, x and y. That's why this is called 2D and 3D. This is a two-dimensional figure. 3D you will get to know in 11 and 12, and we will go through in this 2D two-dimensional chapter like section formula. Now in this figure and in this chapter we will get to know about abscissa and ordinate. What is this two word abscissa and ordinate? When we write a point px comma y, this px comma y, this x is called abscissa. That means x coordinate is called abscissa. And what is ordinate? Y coordinate is called ordinate. And we will have to know the distance formula. Let consider 2 point A and B with coordinates x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. So the distance formula of AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula of distance between 2 points with 2 coordinates, and it is quite easy to remember it. And now we will learn about that section formula. Nothing else in distance formula, and we will know about the section formula now. What is section formula? Section formula is let us consider B and A. Okay, similarly x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, and this is a point P whose coordinates are x and y, and it is given that the ratio of this one and this one is given. That means AP and BP's ratio division is given. That means AP is to PB or BP is equal to M1 is to M2. Then what is the coordinate? What is the coordinates of P? Then we have to find the value of x and y. That means coordinate of P. Therefore, how do we get to know x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. These are the two introductory class or introductory topic, introductory thing we have to tell. So these are the things we have to know for this chapter. Now this x is called abscissa and this y is called ordinate. Now we will do some problems. let's see. Now let's do it. Okay. It is saying that calculate the distance between A, whose coordinates are 7, 3, and B is on x-axis, and whose abscissa is 11. So if a point lies on x-axis, then what is the coordinate of that point? That point which lies on x-axis, that must be y is equal to 0, that means x comma 0, and that abscissa is given 11. So the abscissa, that means that point is 11 comma 0, and the a point is given. Therefore we have to, if you want, you can draw it. Seven comma 3, this is a point 7 comma 3 in A, and this is the point here, that is B, 11 comma 0. For betterment of view and the clear concept, I have draw it, and let's see. We have to write the coordinates of A 7 comma 3 and B 11 comma 0. Therefore AB is equal to, what is the formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You can consider any one. You can consider it x1 y1, x2 y2, or you can consider x2 y2, x1 y1. It's up to you. Now I considered it x1 y1, x2 y2. Therefore 4 square plus minus 3 is whole square, that means 16 plus 9, 25, that means root 25, that means 5. So AB is equal to 5 unit. It's very easy. And next sum is, and we the next question is show that the point number 2, show that the point 4 comma 4 is equidistant from the points A10 and B1 comma minus 1 comma 4 minus 1 comma 4. Now in this sum, the word equidistant means equally distance. That is, if a point, let px comma y and AB are the other 2 points, if it is said that these two are equidistant, that means that distance between A and P and distance between B and P is equal. So we have to prove, if we want to prove that they are equidistant, we have to prove that AP is equal to PB. Therefore that is given, these are the coordinates of A and B, and let the point be P 4 comma 4, Therefore, you can draw this diagram, and therefore distance between A and P is equal to is AP is equal to root over 4 minus 1 square plus 4 minus 0 square. Okay, that means root over 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16 root over 25, that is 5. Okay, again distance between B and P is BP or PB, root over 4 minus of minus 1 square plus 4 minus 4 square, that is 5 square plus 0 square is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. Therefore, AP and PB, the value, the length is equal. Therefore, AP is equal to BP. That is, therefore, it is proved that the point 4 comma 4 is equidistant from the point A and B. Hence proved. Now, next sum is about 3 points are given. We have to prove that they form an equilateral triangle. Now, the points are 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma minus 1, and minus root 3 comma root 3. Question is given that show that these 3 points forms an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, we know that all the sides are equal. Okay, then therefore AB equal to BC is equal to CA. So we have to prove all this. So let A, B, C, these are the coordinates of these 3 points. Therefore, we have to find the value of AC, AB, minus 1 of minus 1 plus minus 1 square. Okay, similarly BC minus root 3 minus of minus 1 square, root 3 minus of minus 1 square, and similarly CD CA minus root 3 minus 1 square plus root 3 minus 1 square. So we have to show that the values are all equal. Then it can be proved. It can be proved that they are equal. Okay. So that is 2 root 3. All the value is 2 root 3. Therefore, all the sides are equal. Therefore, this forms an equilateral triangle. Now, heading towards the next sum, that we have to prove right angle triangle. This same type of the 3 points are given. We have to prove that a right angle. This forms a right angle triangle. What we'll have to do? Let's see. In right angle triangle, what we know? Hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base. We know that according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to p square plus b square. That means perpendicular square plus base square. So the value, the coordinates of 3 points are given as 3, 3, 9, 0 and 12, 21. So similarly, let AB is equal to 9 minus 3 square plus 0 minus 3 square, 6 square plus minus 3 square, that means 36 plus 9. AB we have to square it because these are the hypotenuse square, base square and p square, so the value is 45. Okay, again we have to find out the value of BC. 12 minus 9 square plus 21 minus 0 square, that means 3 square means 9 plus 4 41 21 square, that means BC square is equal to 450. Okay, again we have to find out the value of CA. 12 square minus 3 square plus 21 square, 21 minus 3 square. Okay, so the value is 405. You can solve it out. Then 405, therefore AC square, that is. And now we can put the value. So BC square, therefore BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square, perpendicular square plus base square. Therefore this is the condition of Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle, therefore these 3 points forms a right angle triangle. Similarly, if 3 points are given and to form a isosceles triangle, so in isosceles triangle what we know, ABC opposite sides are equal, therefore we have to find out the two distance from A to B and from A to C. If the values are same, then opposite sides are equal, and therefore all 3 points, the given 3 points, which given 3 points forms isosceles triangle. These are the problems. Now I will head towards the section formula sums. What we know, again I am explaining. AB, this is P, x comma y is the coordinate of this one, and x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are the coordinates again, and AP is to PB is the ratio given M1 is to M2. Therefore x equal to the coordinate of x, that means abscissa of P and ordinate of P, we have to find out x equal to M2, that means M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, and y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. These are the formula of section formula. Now okay, 2 points given, points are A minus 3 comma 3, B 12 minus 17, and the ratio is given AP is to PB is equal to 2 is to 3. Okay, find the coordinate of P. Similarly, what we will have to do, find the coordinate of P. Okay, let P x comma y be the point. You can draw it like this: A given minus 3 3, B given 12 comma minus 7. Okay, and therefore P is a point, and similarly x equal to m1, that means 2 into, you can write the formula again, m1 x2 m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Therefore x equal to 2 into x2, that means that one 12, m2 that means 3, x1 minus 3 by m1 plus m2, and 2 into y2 minus 7, 3 m2 3 into y1, that means 3, 2 plus 3, that is 24 minus 9 by 5, yeah, and minus 14 plus 9 by 5. Okay, then 16 by 5 and 5 by minus 5 by 5, that means 1. So this will be 5, sorry, 15. Then 3 and 1 is the coordinate of P, that means 3, 1. Okay, these type of problems are given and very easy to solve it out. And these are the sums, but there is another type of sum. Let's do it. That is saying, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of line segment joining the points 3, minus 3 and 6, 9. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of line segment joining the points 3, minus 3 and 6, 9. Trisection means, let me explain, A and B, these are the 2 points 3, minus 3 and 6, 9, and trisection means there are 2 points P and Q, x1 y1 and x2 y2. We have to find out these coordinates, the coordinate of P and Q. Okay, similarly, and therefore these are the trisection, that means intersection must be equal, intersect, and this trisection, these are the one unit, same unit. Then AP is to PB, the ratio must be 1:2, and AQ is to BQ is equal to 2:1, and then therefore x1 is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, y1 is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 is equal to 1 into x2 means that one 6 plus 2 into 3, 1 plus 2, 6 plus 6 by 3, that means 12 by 3, that is 4, and m1 1 into y2 9 plus 2 into minus 3 by 1 plus 2, that is 9 minus 6 by 3, that is 3 by 3 is equal to 1. That means the coordinate, therefore coordinate of P x1 y1 is equal to P4 comma 1. Now we will find out the coordinate of Q. Similarly, the same process. For Q, okay, x2 is equal to m1. These are the m1 m2 and these are the m1 m2. Then 2 into x2 and y2 is therefore coordinate of Q is 5 comma 5. These are the coordinates. Thank you. These are all the sums from this chapter, from this section formula chapter. And if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.